Built on a reliable SINOTRUK HOWO 6x4 chassis, this mixer truck is powered by a robust WD-6 15.47 engine delivering 371 horsepower. The core mixing drum is constructed from wear-resistant Q345 manganese steel with a 12 cubic meter capacity, equipped with fully imported Italian brand. Components including the hydraulic pump, hydraulic motor, and gear reducer, includes and 400 liters. Stainless steel water tank with a hand washing device, hose, and pipe connectors.